Hi everyone, I am Amanda from Rockstar Mobile Hair Salon. I hope you are safe, healthy, and well wherever you are around the world. And I decided to do some tutorials today, one in particular for the roots because I'm in need of doing mine. So I figured I would do it with you. And so here we go. This is what you need. First of all, get a towel that you can wrap around your neck to protect you in case you get some color that drips on your shirt. And I like to wear black because my color is dark brown. So obviously if you're doing double process or blonde, you might want to wear a lighter color shirt. So, or if you have a cape. So the first thing you want to do is mix your color in a bowl, which I have done here. And then I also parted my hair in the middle, just straight down, so that I don't have any tangles and things like that. Then what I like to do is tie my hair back just loosely in a ponytail so that I can put the protectant around my skin. Now if you have Vaseline, that works fine, or baby oil, just make sure you don't get it on the hair. And so I've got my little color protectant stick here that I'm going to put around my hairline so I don't stain. I'll have to take my glasses off. Just go all the way around. Ears don't really stain that badly, so just go around the back of the hair. Do the best you can. I put my gloves on from the beginning also as I start the entire process. Okay, so now we can take the hair back down and we just grab this front. What we're going to do is I'm going to have to take my glasses off. So I'll do the best I can blind here. Dip your color in your bowl, about that much. That's probably maybe a little too much, but anyway. And just go around the hairline, you know, as far up as you need with your roots. You're laying it kind of flat on the hair. You're not poking at it like this. You're laying it flat. And you're being pretty, you don't have to be too conservative with the color. You know, so you can put about the amount that I put on my brush. That way you make sure you get that coverage. So I like to go around the whole head like that first, around the hairline. Okay, then we've got our part that's pretty much sectioned straight down the middle. And you just, if you have glasses like I do, you can put them back on now. Now we're just going to go right down the center here. Laying it flat. You see how it's kind of flat like that? That way you're really getting it in there and you're saturating. Now you want quarter of an inch sectioning. Take that part kind of back to the crown of your head here, the top of your head here. It's a little harder to do it on your own, so just keep going back. You're doing great. Each section like this, all the way down to the side. And I'm kind of overlapping both sides. As you can see, I'm going right down the center with my brush. So I'm covering this back side and I'm also covering this top side. See? I do have product delivery and virtual hair appointments, so I can help you with those things. All you have to do is just go to my website, Rockstar Mobile Hair Salon, and book a virtual appointment or reach out to me through my email at rockstarmobilehair@gmail.com if you think you need some extra help besides this. I'm turning to the mirror now because I need to see this angle. You can also just go straight back like that. You know, you can start to do this now. Just different ways to do it. Just want to make sure you get it all saturated, but you don't want to overlap too much. You just want to make sure you're covering your roots. So overlapping on the color from before is not the greatest idea. I go all the way back now around the hair. I'm going all the way back around the hairline here, okay? And I'm taking those same sections, 1/4 inch. And I'm really just trying to get like the first 3-4 inches away from my ear. Because we're going to do the back section next, but this helps you kind of have a smaller back section. Let's go all the way down to your hairline. And now, looks like I missed a hair there. Now we're going to pull that back with the brush like that. And we're going to do the whole other side the same way. So you make sure your top is nice and covered. Okay. Okay. You can see this pretty well. It's pretty simple. Like I said, you can go that way too. This is a really an easier method for demi or permanent color in the brown or warm tones. I don't recommend this process for double process. We'll have another video for that. This is a little too laid back for a double process as far as the application is concerned. So keep going around your head. You're doing great. The reason why you don't really want to overlap too much more than you need to cover your gray is the color can end up building up on itself and then you get darker areas. So just use your judgment. But for gray coverage, you certainly don't want to be too conservative. I feel like I took this section a little too thick, so I'm going to make sure, yep, see, I didn't get in there. I made that too thick, and that's what happens if you take too much, then you won't be able to get that coverage. So 1/4 inch sections to make sure you get that. Harder to get on this side because I'm right-handed, so just trying to focus on. I guess I'm going to be doing this sideways. Okay, all the way down. Keep flipping the hair up. All right, so we've got this whole front section here. And now we're gonna get to the crown of the head. Just kind of feel where that top of your head is. And you can kind of maybe go a little bit further front than you think, because I stopped applying the color right here, right at the crown. So that's where we want to start this back section. Now we don't want to miss that chunk there. That's important. And then just pull it forward. Did I get all of that? Just make sure. There we go. And now you can kind of see. See, we're doing the back section now. Won't be able to see for too much longer. But just, you know, here we go. These 1/4 inch sections. Pull the hair up. And I would recommend going through the center of the part there. So you're covering that back side. This is the back side, and now this is the front side. And you can go sideways to make sure you got it, you know, straight over the center of that part that you just made. Just lifting it up. Kind of moving it over to the side. It's kind of hard to see here. I am going all the way across, almost from like one ear to the other, even though we've already done that section. You know, kind of overlapping, making sure I don't miss any points here. I'm sure you can understand why it's important to brush through your hair first. That way, now we're not challenged with any tangles or anything, and we can just, you know, put the end of the brush right through the hair and pull through, and it's not a problem. Okay, I think we're almost done here. That's the back. I hope that was clear. Okay, and then I like to, with a little extra color that I have left, just make sure I got that front, because I can't stand it when I miss it. Part of my roots around my hairline. None of us do. I also like to now put my hair up in a ponytail, loose ponytail, so I can make sure I got those sides too. So let's see, just go around like this, make sure I got the whole hairline. Okay, I think we're good, and you can leave it loose if you want, like that, or you can take it back down. But anyways, that's it, and I will be back with the final results. Okay, after you're done with your color, 35 minutes is probably the amount of time, but check with whatever product you have for the amount of time for letting it develop. And then shampoo and condition and rinse your hair and blow dry in style. Thanks so much for joining me. Please click on a thumbs up if this video was helpful to you, and any comments you want to leave so that I can improve my virtual online tutorials for you. And of course, sign up on my email list at rockstarmobilehairsalon.com. Thanks, guys.